What is up, YouTube? Chaz here, and I'm back at home. So yesterday at the HeroFest there was still one tournament that I played. I went first place with Tearlaments Pure. Nothing really special about it. I'll get right into it. So the usual engine, we have the Tearlaments. Nothing to say much about it. As for the hand trap choice, these 6 and Imperm. Then the Perla Rhinos, Super Poly, the draw card. I didn't have the Paleo traps, so I took inspiration of Akil. Shoutouts, by the way. The power one-offs. Yeah. Then triple Suliac, because I'm playing the pure with control and whatsoever. And the last one would be Imperm. 40 main total. As for the extra, 2 kit colors, 1 Kaleido Heart, the usual ratio as well. 2 Drago Sapelia, because I like to loop the second one. Karura and the Swamp Dragon? Yeah, OP. Then Dark IP, target for IP, together with access code for the OTK. Beast Dweller, obviously, Redoer, in case it gets in time, and the Zeus. Then beside this, I had to do last second because I switched the deck. Nibs, Dark Ruler, 1 Galaxy Cyclone, Evenly, Tikaboo, and 2 Anti-Spell. Yeah, that was about it. It's a quick deck profile because it's just pure Tearlaments anyway. Shoutouts to YGO Liga Bern for hosting, shoutouts to HeroFest for the convention, and shoutouts to GoodGames Bern for hosting the stand. And yeah, have a nice evening.